Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pasnuti Sumant, and today's video is regarding the most common complaint told by parents, that is screen time effect on children. Dear parents, screen time is increasing tremendously in babies and toddlers, and this can be very harmful to their development. The time between 0 to 3 years is very important for the baby, as this is the time of rapid brain growth and maturation, and this is the period when the baby starts learning a new skills, words, and about the world around. If social and play skills are not developed well, then children become more and more dependent on screens for entertainment, thereby getting addicted to screens eventually. Screens provide a lot of colorful entertainment, music, and constantly changing images. Therefore, babies love to look at them, but that does not mean that they are learning from them. Babies are not able to transfer what they see on 2D screens to 3D objects, and research also shows that babies and toddlers are not good at learning from screens. Sometimes they may repeat some words or rhymes that they hear from the screens, but they do not develop communication and social skills. Now we will see the negative effect of high screen time on kids. It affects speech. Babies and toddlers who spend a lot of time watching screens also speak and understand far fewer number of words than expected. Affects development of independent feeding skills if shown screens while eating every time. Affects physical activities, hand skills, observation, exploration, curiosity, imagination, creativity, and problem solving. It also affects the duration of nighttime sleep. Blue light emitted by the screens affect the production of sleep hormone, and therefore sleep hours is reduced. Causes changes in behavior. Preschool children tend to imitate what they see, so they may start imitating aggressive or violent behaviors that they see on screen. Also causes increase in consumption of junk foods and increase in body weight, leading to overweight or obesity in older children and teenagers. Affects attention span, reading and thinking skills in school-age children. Continuous watching causes high strain and shoulder, neck, and body pains. So, how to manage screen time in children? First, there should be no screen time up to age of 2 years. Second, children above 2 years of age may be allowed a maximum of 1 hour of screen time per day in short durations. Third, review and supervise the content that children are watching on a regular basis, so that they are engaging only with high quality educational programs that are meant for that age group. With older kids, sit and watch the programs and talk to the kids about what they are watching. This group can learn from screens, but the learning is better if content is discussed with them. Fifth, avoid screens in the bedroom and at least 1 hour before bedtime. Sixth, encourage other habits like reading books, pretend playing with different types of toys, art, music, and puzzles. Seventh, take children out for outdoor play with the same age group children. Eighth, avoid background television. Turn off TV when nobody is watching. Ninth, instead of screen, involve children in household activities like folding clothes, tidying up toys, watering plants, and helping in kitchen. 10th, don't show screens while eating. Avoid handheld devices like iPad, mobile, and tabs as much as possible. Do follow these tips to stop your child's addiction for TVs and mobiles. And thanks for watching.